Now, let's discuss how to remove the glass cover and the knob from the rotary screen. First, let's separate the rotary screen's base from the knob portion. To do this, find the 2 points on the bottom and pry them apart. Use a very flat screwdriver or pry bar to do this. After separating, set it aside. Now, let's focus on the knob part. There are a total of 4 snap points, corresponding to the letters below. We'll start prying. Use the pry bar and insert it like this. Do the same on this side, remembering to pry it from this position, not from here. Prying from here might scratch the glass, so pry it like this and the glass will come off. You can see the fixed points and snap points on the glass panel after it's removed. Now, let's move on to the knob part. We'll use the same pry bar at the edge, gently applying some force to lift it. Okay. Once it's pried open, it will separate entirely. Now for reinstallation. You'll see 2 notches here, corresponding to the raised parts on this side. Align them and press it down. It should fit in place. For the glass cover, locate the OK position and align it with the pinhole facing down. Place it in this position and gently press it down. It will snap into place, completing the entire process.